Everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Mute Mile set to make history with a record-breaking prize purse, the biggest in the Caribbean yet. Dubbed the richest race day in the English-speaking Caribbean, the highly anticipated Cayman Spark Premier Racing event returns this December, promising an even bigger cash prize, outscoring last year's $47.2 million. Speaking with E-Prime at the launch event held over the weekend, Chairman of Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, Solomon Sharp, shared some of the cash prizes which will be awarded on the day.
It's the biggest purse in the Caribbean at $300,000. The secondary feature is going to be $100,000. The next race down is $40,000, and we still have 9 other races on the day. So I think by the time everything adds up, we're probably going to be at a figure close to $100 million for the first time in history.
But it's not just about the racing action. Style enthusiasts are also in for a treat. This year's theme, Back to the 70s, invites patrons to channel iconic fashion moments from the era in their own creative way.
So we would have had Bridgerton, we would have had King of the Dancehall, and then now this year we're into the 70s. So it's also embracing and celebrating Jamaica. When the foreigners that have come here and they've gotten clips, they said they're really happy because we really embrace the other side of racing, the whole camaraderie, the whole entertainment factors and the family values and things. So this is one of those that we're bringing back. We've been working hard at bringing in industry together, taking it to the next fair.
Sharp also shared that aside from the fanfare and camaraderie, horse racing plays a crucial role in Jamaica's economy.
It's an important part of our ecosystem, and this ecosystem feeds a lot. We pay a lot of taxes. We generate about $10 billion every year, and all of that $10 billion goes right back into this industry, and that provides jobs, send kids to school, etc.
The fourth staging of the Mute Mile is scheduled for Saturday, December 6th this year. The race will see a maximum 16 horses competing, with half the field reserved for locally domiciled contenders as of January 1, and the other half for international entrants. Now, on the international scene, Rihanna returns to the Met Gala sporting a baby bump. Making a glamorous return to fashion's biggest night, the Needed Me singer turned heads at last evening's Met Gala, stunning in a pinstripe Marc Jacobs ensemble. The outfit, complete with an oversized hat and a polka dot cravat, beautifully highlighted her growing baby bump. The unforgettable moment unfolded on a historic night co-chaired by her partner, A$AP Rocky, which celebrated bold black style and dandyism. This year's gala was themed after the Met Costumes Institute exhibition, Superfine Tailoring Black Style. The prestigious event doubles as a fundraiser for New York's Metropolitan Museum of Art and marks the unveiling of its annual fashion exhibition. But that wasn't the only headline-making moment. Rihanna and Ciara appeared to officially bury the hatchet after more than a decade of tension. The two shared a warm reunion at the gala, putting an end to a long-standing feud that began in 2011 after Ciara's comments on fashion police has sparked a Twitter spat. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.